Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Are you searching for the Move To button in Gmail? Many users look for a specific button labeled a Move To, but Gmail works a bit differently. Gmail uses labels instead of traditional folders. When you move an email in Gmail, you are essentially applying a label and archiving it from your current view, like the inbox. The button you are looking for is actually an icon. It looks like a folder with a right-pointing arrow inside it. You will find this Move To icon in the toolbar at the top of your Gmail screen. To use it, first, select one or more emails from your inbox by checking the box next to them. Once selected, the toolbar will appear or become active. Click the folder icon with the arrow. A drop-down menu will then show you a list of your existing labels. You can choose an existing label from this list, or you can even create a new label directly from this menu. When you select a label, the email will be moved to that label, meaning the label is applied, and the email is removed from your inbox view. It will still be accessible under that specific label in your left-hand navigation pane. Alternatively, if you have an email open, the same folder icon with the arrow will be present in the toolbar at the top of the individual email view. Clicking it there will also bring up the label options. Remember, Gmail's Move To function is all about organizing with labels. It helps keep your inbox clean by filing messages under relevant categories, making them easy to find later. This simple icon is key to managing your email flow effectively in Gmail.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.